Yo YouTube, welcome back to another video. It's been a little bit of a brief hiatus recently. We've had a lot going on, as you can probably tell. A lot going on. Today, got a cool one for you guys. The friends over at Braum Racing hooked it up. We got the all new Orue series racing seats. Today it's one of those out with the old, in with the new type deals. We did have their old Elite series seats initially in the car. These are going into Brandon's car, who's in the cul-de-sac right now chilling out. But these bad boys are going in the 5.0, and today we're just going to do a little kind of review video, show you a little bit about the seats and get them installed and see if we can't get a couple close-up shots. So a lot coming with this one. As always, you guys stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. So I've already completed step one. Really pretty self-explanatory. You're gonna have 4 bolts, one here, there, and there. Remove all of those. In my case, I already had the Braum Racing seat brackets from these seats, so you can see your 4 holes that you're gonna need to use right there. Yeah, you're just gonna get that removed. The whole seat will just come right out. It's a very simple process. Next step is going to be transferring everything from the bottom of these seats to these seats. So that part, kind of tricky if you've never done it before. We'll go ahead and walk you through it and just make sure you got every step that you're going to need if you want to get a set of these for your car, which I do highly suggest. Braum's a great company. So yeah, let's go ahead and get these taken off and put on the new seats. All right, guys, once you get everything transferred over, you should have something that looks pretty much like this. I will say the hardest portion of this would be getting your sliders to actually go on in the right orientation and getting your actual bar that controls the lateral movement of your seat. That is kind of a pain to get into place, but once you do, you'll tighten both of these rails down, and then basically it's just transferring the bracket from, in my case, my old seats to the new seats. But once you have everything bolted back into place like you see it here, it's really just as simple as you put the seat bolts back in. And yeah, that's literally all there is to it. Braum makes a very smooth install, so just take your time with this step. I'm not going to show you me doing it on this seat as well. It's really not that complicated. So let's go ahead and get this one tossed in, and then we will show you what it looks like inside the car. And just like that, guys, once you get the brackets and everything reinstalled, you'll come down here, put everything back in where it goes, and that's pretty much it. When it comes to these seats, Braum makes an incredible product. You know, recently they've really made a come up in the seat market. You know, we've got a lot of competition, you know, Corbeau, Bride, a lot of the mainstream companies like that. Braum really is starting to go places with the quality of their product. I mean, you get what you pay for when you buy a set of seats. And to me, if you're going to spend the money, I would definitely recommend at least taking a look at Braum. Their customer service is great. They will always get back to you with any kind of questions you have. My personal experience with Braum's been great. They've been very kind, helping out and making me feel, you know, like part of the family. That's something I look for in a company. So these seats in particular are the Orue series racing seats, but you can tell with the craftsmanship here that this is definitely something that will hold up over time, and it just looks great in the car. It really sets off the interior. You know, you match it with the Dyna Performance carbon fiber. It's just going to make your interior look more exotic and more of something that you don't see every day with a Mustang. So, you know, with all that being said, guys, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to comment, like and subscribe as always, and we'll catch you on the next one.